Hi everyone! Welcome back to another Therapy Tip Tuesday. My name is Miss Meghan and you can find me at the Wantal office. I'll be here with you every Tuesday for the month of November to share some fun and different therapy ideas that I like to use within my own sessions. Today I'm going to be talking about how I like to use my favorite board game, Pop the Pig, to target a wide variety of speech, language, pragmatic, and feeding goals. Board games are a great therapy tool as they are engaging, motivating, and something that the kids can work for throughout the whole entire session. So to play this game, you roll a dice with the various colors on it. On the back of each hamburger is a number, and once the hamburger is put in the pig's mouth, you press the pig's head that many times. After a certain number of clicks, the pig bursts open and he pops. So for kids that come for expressive speech, I like to use this game as a reinforcer. So usually I will print out a bingo card such as this and have the kids lay the burgers out in a grid formation. I let them choose a hamburger every time they produce their target word or sound. This allows for a high number of productions and practice, which is key for any articulation sound. For those that come for language, there are many ways that this game can be utilized. I like to hold the burgers and dice in my hands and have the kids request all of the items while we're playing. So they can request by asking, can I have the blank colored burger? Another way that you can work on requesting is by having the child sign for more or give me and request the burgers throughout. Another great thing about this game is that descriptive words and basic vocabulary can be targeted, such as colors, numbers, and body parts. So you can practice the colors red, green, yellow, and purple, and you can use the different colored hamburgers to look at the numbers on the back and practice those as well. You can also work on body parts and have the kids touch or put the hamburgers on the pig's head, his nose, his feet, his arms. Another thing that I like to target is increasing mean length of utterance. So for example, you can model a carrier phrase such as Mr. Pig ate the blank. After rolling and choosing a hamburger, I try to have my kids produce the sentence or phrase with a word that I'll write underneath the burger. Another great language goal to target with this game is prepositions. So you can put the burger in his mouth, on top of his head, next to the pig, behind him, anywhere you can put the burger to really enhance those language skills while also keeping the session fun. So as with any good board game, a wide variety of pragmatic skills can also be targeted, such as turn taking and following directions. So for turn taking, I like working on my turn and your turn. I usually will model the first turn and then pause and see if the kid can do it independently. So for following directions or sequencing, I usually will have my kids either teach me how to play and give me step-by-step directions, or you can target multi-step directions such as first put the burger in his mouth and then hit his head 3 times. Lastly, I love to use Pop the Pig with my kids that come in for feeding or with a limited dietary repertoire. So I like to work on the various steps with them, such as touching the food, smelling the food, and giving kisses while they are doing the same thing with the burgers to the pig. If we are up to the feeding step, I will usually have them feed the pig and then say to them, okay, it's time to set the food to your belly now. I feel like this is a motivating and engaging way to get them to try whatever food we're working on while mimicking the act of the pig eating as well. Pop the Pig is one of my go-tos in my sessions as it is simple and versatile and can be used with almost any client that walks through the door. Okay, that wraps up today's Therapy Tip Tuesday. I will see you all next week when I share some more of my favorite activities and strategies that I like to use within my own sessions.